So now in this particular we have to see if there is a triangle and the three sides of the triangle are known, then we have to write down the program whether from these particular sides we can create the triangle or not create the triangle. For example, if there are the three sides of the triangles, suppose x and y, x, y and z, these are the three sides of the triangle. If it is known to us, then we have to decide whether we can form the triangle by using these three sides or not. For example, if the value of x is 1, if the value of y is 2, and if the value of z is 3. Okay, so we have to input these particular three values by using the keypad, and then we have to write a program to decide whether by using these three sides we can create the triangle or not create the triangle. Okay, so first thing is that we will input these three values from the user in our program. Okay, say that I will create a class say it is a class is created now. So now in this particular class I will create the main method. Now in this main method I will create the object of the scanner class. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner and system.in. Now the object is there. Now I can input the three floating point values from the user. So for that I will use the cout statement here, sout statement here, system out println. So /n/t, enter the side x. So one side of the triangle we want to enter. So say in a float variable, say x, we want to capture that particular. So sc dot next float. So by using this method we can input the floating point value. So user will enter the side x and that particular side will be available in a x variable now. So same thing we have to repeat for the y also. So /n/t, enter side y. So it is a float, y equal to sc dot next float, and same we have to repeat for the z also. Enter the side z. Now the three sides are known in our program. Now we have to take the decision, and decision is like that. If the how to take the decision? So the addition of the two sides of the triangle should be always greater than the third side of the triangle. For example, x should be always less than addition of the y plus z. That is the main thumb rule for decision of this particular triangle. This is if this condition exists, and also we need that y should be less than x plus z and z should be less than x plus y. So if all these conditions are happening there, means these are the true, then we can write that. So there is a single statement now, there is no need to write the curly brackets. So I will put here the sout statement, that is /n/t, we can have triangle from these sides. Else part is there, this out. So simply we will put the sorry message here. Okay, so this is what the simple idea behind this. So we have created one object, but we have not closed that particular object. So whenever we have the values of the xy and the z in our program, then we will release this particular variable by using the sc.close method. Okay, so now our program is ready now. So I will create first of all the class file from the demo file. So Java C demo.java. Java demo. So enter the side x, suppose it is 1. Enter the side y, suppose it is 2. So sorry, we cannot create the triangle out of that. So instead of writing like this /n/t, instead of writing the println, I will put the print only. Once again I have to compile it. So enter the side x, suppose it is 1, y is 1, z is 1. So we can have the triangle from this particular side. So it is working very properly. So the thing is that we have to create the class, then we have to import the scanner class which is available in java.util package. Then we have to create the object of that particular class. Then by using that object and the next float method, we have to input the values of the x, y and z. Then we have to close that particular object very properly. Then by using the if else statement, then we have to create the decision here and we have to execute one out of the two statements here.